Behaviors in Apple Motion. What is a behavior in Apple Motion? Behavior is just animation presets. Instead of doing the manual keyframes, we can apply a behavior on our layer and adjust some parameters. Then we can have our animation. Let's take a look on my example here. This is an example of using a behavior on a layer. My rectangle shape without any keyframes. So it is like this. And then after applying a move and a spin behavior, I have this result. Now that you know what is a behavior, now let's look at the different behaviors in Apple Motion. I will delete this spin and move behavior. You can access the behaviors using this and then going to the library, behaviors. Behaviors has different categories. We have the text behaviors, which we use for text. We have a replicator for our replicator and particles behavior for our particles. We also have the behaviors for the camera and audio. For this example, let's focus on the basic motion. Under basic motion, we have this align to, up to, throw. Let's look at the move behavior, which I have used earlier. You can see the preview in here on the left side. Let's apply that to my rectangle layer. Then here on the inspector, while my move behavior is selected, we will have these parameters. We have the position up to speed. Position controls the direction where our layer will move. Strength controls the speed. Direction, we have to and from. Then speed, this is the interpolation from constant to decelerate. Now, let's do some simple tweaking on our move behavior. For example, I want my rectangle shape to move from its initial position to this right side. So what I will do is adjust this X position, then put it here. This icon here shows us where our layer will end up to. Then let's leave our strength to 1. Then direction to 2 because we want this from this position to this position. Then let's change the speed from constant to is both. Let's press spacebar. Okay, so that's how it works. Very easy and very convenient. Now let's go back to our rectangle. Let's add another behavior. Let's go to library, behaviors, and basic motion. Let's select this grow shrink behavior. Let's apply that to our rectangle. Let's go to the inspector and then here on the scale 2, let's increase that to around 50%. Then let's press spacebar. Then we have this animation. One important thing is that when you apply a behavior, it will be the same length of your layer. You can see here on my timeline that my rectangle starts from 0 and ends up to 5 seconds. Similarly, my behaviors starts from 0 to 5 seconds. That's behaviors in Apple Motion.